Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So, as most of you already know, during the fall and winter, I grow a lot of my starts inside in my grow tent. However, the grow tent has, since the move, takes up a big footprint inside my home, and I wanted to get something that would allow me to grow or have starts inside the house, but not be as intrusive as the grow tent was. Lucky for me, a company called GROWFRIEND reached out to me and wanted me to do a product review of their indoor grow kit. So it's in this box, and out of the box, this is what we have. Let's open it first. So it is it's a 40 cell tray that I can put my start seeds in. It also comes with a heating mat. It comes with two lights that I could put in, and the plants will grow underneath grow lights. We have labels. We have seed starting tools. We have a dome to go on top. We have two caps that will allow me to control the moisture and the evaporation of the moisture. And they go here. We have a soil probe, so we could check the virility of my soil. And in here, you have the lights that I was telling you about. And they just basically sit in here like this. So after we have everything connected, I can plug it in to my nearest outlet, and my seeds starts are under hydroponic lights. I'm sorry, under grow lights here. The tray can be lifted up like this. So should you choose to water from the bottom, you can. That way you won't disturb your seeds. And then you can just sit it back in like that. So all in all, it looks like a pretty interesting kit, and might be something that, or will be something that I will be using this fall in lieu of my grow bag. And this definitely does not have the footprint that the grow bag does. But I can also grow up to, or start up to 40 plants at one time. So that's good. I'm happy with that. Now, they have instructions on the grow lights, the starter tray, the labels, the heat mat, the 3-in-1 soil meter, and the also we have sticky yellow net paper just in case that you get the gnats. Now, as I said, the company girlfriend reached out to me, and when I do start to use this, it will probably be in August, September timeframe, maybe a little bit earlier when I do my brassicas, collards, broccoli, cabbages, stuff like that. And I will definitely be using this. I think overall, I'm going to like this and like it a lot. Um, and because the footprint is so much less than what the grow tent was, my electrical bill will probably not be near what it was with the grow tent. So overall, I think it's a good product. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing it, click on the or copy down the link for it and head over and get yourself one. Overall, the price, it really isn't that much. It's on Amazon. I saw it rather for a relatively small amount. So overall, I think you're going to like it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did the real quick review. Um, Unfortunately, I'm not starting seeds or don't need to start seeds anytime soon. But as I said, I will be using this when I do. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do enjoy, if you do decide to subscribe, rather, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we're nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.